Hello students, we'll continue with the PowToon animation. So we have two slides here from the health and safety scenes. Now if I want to add another slide here, I can either click on these three dots and click on add slide button. It'll ask me to select a scene to add after this selected slide, or I can right click on the slide and then choose add ready-made slide. So when I click on add ready-made slide, it'll ask me to choose one of the scenes which are already made here in PowToon, and I can select and scroll down to choose the scene that I want to add in my animation. So it is added right after that slide. At any point, if you want to move the slide, you drag and move the slides like this, one slide at a time. And the slide here shows the different characters which will be performing different animations, and they'll be appearing at different points on the timeline. Now here, if you want to save a particular scene, you have uh, you have made your scene with different characters, change the timing when they appear and disappear, you have added some text in the slides. You can click on that slide and then click on the slides here, scroll up, and you can save your current scene. So when you click on save current scene, that particular scene is added here in my scenes, and you can use it next time again when you can reuse the scenes in your other projects later. So this saves you time to create more scenes again and again. You can see this button here between two slides. This is called add transition. When I click on add transition, it'll you can choose from here some basic transition effects. This that is zoom out, zoom in, warp effect, fade effect, vertical lines. You can scroll down. This is fan up. So suppose I choose this fan up effect. Now you can see this has become little black over here. That means I have added a transition effect between these two slides. If I again click here and add a transition effect between these slides and I choose the wave effect. Now if I have to run the slideshow, I click on the first slide and choose this play slide button, the small triangle button. So it will start the animation here. This girl is just breathing right now, sitting on the yoga mat. I can also click here in the preview video to preview the animation in the full scale. If I want to do full screen, I click here, and also when the slide transits from one slide to another, you were able to see the transition effect. I'll play this one more time. So this is the first slide where the girl is doing meditation, and then the fan up effect was the transition effect between these two slides, and this is the wave effect between the next two slides. You can again make it normal screen and click outside to come back to your workspace. Like this, children, you can add some scenes which are already pre-made in PowToon. You can at any point of time you can click on blank slide or add slide, and from here, from any of these categories, you can select the scene that you want to add in your slide. Now if you play this, so if again I click on the first slide and I click on the play button, you can see the timeline is moving. The fan up effect was there, but to the small button plays only the first slide, the selected slide. If you want to play all the slides, you click on this play from this second onwards, wherever the timer button is there, it'll play from there. The whole project, it will be playing from one slide, transition effect to the next slide. And now from this to next one, we did not put any transition effect here. You can see there's no transition effect. And then the fourth slide with the wave transition effect. Hope you enjoy working on creating new slides with the pre-made scenes. See you.